Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a folder on your Google Drive and to upload files to your Google Classroom. We will be requiring you guys to be able to turn in PDFs to Google Classroom, and I'm going to show that in this video using the iPhone. The first thing I'm going to do is talk about your Google Drive. Everybody has one. Your When you are enrolled at any ISD schools, you will get a Google account and a Drive. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged in. If I look at my top right hand corner, I see my neisd.net. That means I'm logged in on my school Google account. You're going to click to My Drive. So you're on your drive, and right now this is showing my drive. And we're going to make a new folder. So I'll go to the plus, hit new. The very first one, the first option is folder, and that's what I want. So I'm going to click on the folder. And in here, I'm going to name it geometry. Now, of course, if you're in different subjects, you could do the same thing and just use that subject's title. Hit create. Now, we're going to be doing 9 units this year. So you're going to double click the folder you just made. I'm double clicking the geometry folder, and I'm going to do it again because I'm going to make a unit 1 folder. So I go to that first one, select folder. I'm typing in unit 1. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Since we're doing the 9 units, you could do all 9 right now. I'm not going to do all 9, but this is how you do it. So I did 2 units. Hit create, and I have them. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use that Google Drive folder that we just made and turn in your assignments to Google Classroom. Now, this video is about an iPhone, so I'm going to start off with the iPhone. So all the iPhones come with the notes. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the notes. Once you click on the notes, it's going to give you an option. You see that camera? You're going to click on that camera. Once you click on the camera, you're going to have either scan documents, take a photo, or a photo library. You're going to select scan documents. And then once you scan the documents, you're going to take your camera, your phone, and hold it over whatever assignment that you want to turn in to take that picture. And so try to hold it steady, then you'll hit the button at the bottom and it will take the picture. And then you're going to see these circles. Those circles allow you to crop out all the mess that's out here that came out. So once you get that to the edge of your paper, then you're ready. You also have the option either to retake it if you don't like it or keep the scan. We're going to keep the scan. Now, when you hit the scan, at the very bottom, it gives you another option. See, like that's page 1. I could add another page. But in this case, we're going to hit the save button and we're going to save it. Now, when you save it, it's going to give you, you're going to see the little share button. So your document's going to pop up. You're going to click the share button, and then that's how you're going to choose where you want it to go. So when I hit the share button, these are my options. You're going to you could send via message. You could email it. You're going to have all these programs that are here. We're going to select the Google Drive logo. So then when you click on that, your Google Drive is going to pop up, and then you're going to have to choose an account. Again, I got several accounts here. Most of us do. I'm going to pick the one that has the neisd.net. So I'm going to select that. Once I select that, now it's going to give me an option of where to put it. My NEISD is right there. I'm going to hit select folder. When I hit select folder, I'm going to hit my drive. And then when you hit my drive, that's when you're going to see the folder that we made. So I'm going to click on the geometry folder, and then inside of that folder will be my unit 1. You're going to select that. And then once you select that, that's when you're going to hit that save here button. You're going to click on that save here button, and that's where it's going to go. I'm not done though. I got one more step. It's the upload button. So you're going to hit save here. You're going to see the upload, and then you're going to hit the upload. And then that's how we get it to the drive. Now, once you got it in the drive, you're going to go to your Google Classroom account. Again, make sure you're in NEISD and you'll be able to get into it. I'm going to click on my class, whichever one that you need to turn it into. Go to your classwork. You're going to pick your assignment, view assignment, and then you're going to see this on the right hand side. It says your work, add or create. You're going to click that. I'm going to click Google Drive. And then I'm going to go to my, now most recent pops up, so that makes it easy. Sometimes it'll be right there, but if not, I'm going to go ahead and go through the steps as if I was going to go to my drive. I'm going to go to my geometry folder. I'm going to go to unit 1. And then inside my unit 1 is where I put my scan. Once I find my scan, I'm going to insert it. Now also notice I could select more than one. I could select, I have 2 selected if you had 2 pages, and I can insert them. Still not done though. Turn in. I'm going to hit turn in. There are my documents, and then I'm going to hit turn in. And that's how you turn in your documents in Google Classroom, and they will be PDFs. And just remember that we will be requiring PDFs this year. So if you follow this method on the iPhone, you will always be giving me a PDF. Thank you.